Hey, so I am holding my first open house at 4341 Holly here in Kansas City. It is a beautiful day out, beautiful spring day in Kansas City. The house has been redone and been done very nicely. Lots of LED lights, floors have been done, total redo. I think it was a duplex. I have all the information. If you want it, I will give it to you. Here is the walkthrough. I've opened all the doors up. I've turned all the lights on, which is what we do, right? So everybody can see it. I don't know what that is. Okay, yeah. So there's all the bathrooms have been done. Subway. So you can see the subway. And there, yeah. Am I going too fast? Probably going too fast. I don't want to make my videos too long, so we're just kind of going to do a quick run through. Did we go through the kitchen yet? I don't think we did. Let's go through the kitchen. Let's go through the kitchen. There's a basement. There's a two-car garage. I think all the appliances are included. Dishwasher, fridge, stove, washer, dryer. It's got a nice vent. So there's the stainless appliances. And yeah, we went out back. Did we go out back? Let's go out back. Walkway, entryway there. So yeah, little yard, little fenced in yard. It's got a basement. It's unfinished. And then let's go upstairs so that you can see that. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. The breeze blowing through is cool. I think it's about 60 out, which is real nice. It was like 30 degrees last night. Can you believe it? Anyway, it's weird. So there's the washer and dryer. And my 3 bedrooms. Is that right? This is the master. Right? And master. I'm going kind of fast, I know. I'll get better at this. So there's the shower, subway. It's been redone, it's nice. There's the floor. See the floor redone? It's good. What else do you want to see? Tell me what you want to see, and I will let you know. I will show you. That's it. Anyway, I'm the Belucci, as you can see, right here. And Frankie Belucci, my friends call me Belucci. Ciao.